Hey there, beauties! Welcome back to our channel, Eyewayshop. Today we're delving into one of the most iconic makeup looks, the perfect winged eyeliner. Whether you're aiming for a subtle flick or a dramatic cat eye, mastering this technique can elevate your makeup game to a whole new level. Stick around as we share 6 essential tips to help you achieve flawless winged eyeliner every time. Tip 1. Choose the right eyeliner product. The first step to achieving the perfect winged eyeliner is selecting the right product. There are various options available, including liquid, gel, and pencil eyeliners. Liquid eyeliners offer precision and intense pigmentation, making them ideal for sharp and defined wings. Gel eyeliners are great for beginners as they provide more control and are easier to manipulate. Pencil eyeliners, on the other hand, offer a softer look and are perfect for creating a smudged wing effect. Experiment with different formulas to find which one works best for you. Tip 2. Invest in quality brushes. Next up, invest in high-quality brushes or applicators. The brush you use can significantly impact the outcome of your winged eyeliner. A fine-tipped brush is essential for achieving sharp and precise lines, especially when using gel or liquid eyeliner. Opt for brushes with synthetic bristles for smooth application and easy cleanup. Remember to clean your brushes regularly to prevent product buildup and ensure a flawless application every time. Tip 3. Start with a light hand. When it comes to winged eyeliner, less is often more. Start with a light hand and build up the intensity gradually. Begin by outlining the shape of your wing with small, short strokes, then fill it in as needed. This approach allows for more control and precision, preventing mistakes and ensuring a seamless finish. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't flawless. With time and patience, you'll master the art of winged eyeliner like a pro. Tip 4. Use tape or stencils for guidance. If you struggle with creating symmetrical wings, don't worry, we've got a hack for you. Use tape or stencils as guides to help you achieve perfectly even wings every time. Simply place a piece of tape or a stencil along the outer corner of your eye, extending towards your temple. Use this as a reference point to create your wing, then carefully remove the tape or stencil to reveal a clean and precise line. This trick is perfect for beginners and ensures a professional-looking result with minimal effort. Tip 5. Practice different techniques. Winged eyeliner is all about experimentation, so don't be afraid to try out different techniques until you find what works best for you. Whether you prefer a classic cat eye or a more modern graphic wing, there are countless variations to explore. Play around with the angle and thickness of your wing, as well as the placement on your lid, to create custom looks that complement your eye shape and personal style. The key is to have fun and embrace the creative process. Tip 6. Clean up with concealer. Last but not least, clean up any mistakes or smudges with a bit of concealer. Dip a small angled brush into your favorite concealer and carefully trace along the edges of your wing to sharpen and define the shape. This step not only corrects any errors, but also brightens and lifts the eyes for a more polished finish. Remember to blend the concealer seamlessly into your skin for a flawless result that lasts all day. And there you have it, 6 tips for creating the perfect winged eyeliner. Whether you're a makeup novice or a beauty enthusiast, these techniques will help you achieve flawless wings with ease. Remember to choose the right products, invest in quality brushes, and practice different techniques until you find your signature style. With patience and persistence, you'll be rocking the perfect winged eyeliner. Look like a true beauty guru. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Eyewayshop for more beauty tips, tutorials, and product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous.